Welcome back to XLP Auto. Today we are exploring one of the most legendary luxury SUVs in the world, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. This iconic vehicle, also known as the G-Wagon, continues to blend classic boxy design with cutting-edge technology, unmatched off-road ability, and pure luxury. For 2026, Mercedes-Benz has refined the G-Class even further, making it more powerful, more comfortable, and smarter than ever before. The exterior design of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class stays true to its original military-inspired shape, which fans absolutely love. The strong square body, upright windshield, exposed door hinges, and iconic spare wheel mounted on the rear door are all still present. However, Mercedes has added subtle modern touches that make the SUV feel fresh and updated. The front grille is slightly redesigned, featuring a more aggressive look with refined detailing. The LED headlights are sharper and now come with improved lighting technology for better visibility at night. From the side, the G-Class looks as bold and commanding as ever. The wide wheel arches and large alloy wheels give it a strong road presence. For 2026, new wheel designs and color options are available, allowing buyers to customize the G-Class to their personal style. The rear remains unmistakable, with LED taillights and a solid, muscular stance that reminds everyone this SUV is built to conquer any terrain. Inside the 2026 G-Class, luxury meets rugged strength. The cabin is designed with premium materials, including high-quality leather, real wood or carbon fiber trims, and brushed metal accents. Everything feels solid and well-crafted, from the door handles to the dashboard controls. Mercedes has focused on improving comfort, making the interior quieter and smoother even at high speeds. The dashboard features a large dual-screen setup combining the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless display. The latest MBUX infotainment system is included, offering faster performance, clearer graphics, and more intuitive controls. Voice commands are more advanced, allowing drivers to control navigation, climate settings, music, and vehicle functions just by speaking naturally. Seating comfort in the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is exceptional. The front seats are power adjustable, heated, ventilated, and offer massage functions. Rear passengers also enjoy plenty of legroom and headroom, making long journeys comfortable for everyone. Despite its rugged nature, the G-Class offers a surprisingly smooth ride, especially on highways. When it comes to performance, the 2026 G-Class does not disappoint. Mercedes-Benz offers multiple engine options, including powerful V8 variants and advanced electrified powertrains depending on the market. The engines deliver strong acceleration, deep exhaust sound, and effortless power. The 9-speed automatic transmission ensures smooth gear changes, whether driving in the city or climbing steep hills. One of the biggest highlights of the G-Class is its legendary off-road capability. The 2026 model continues to feature 3 locking differentials, low-range gearing, and a robust ladder frame chassis. This SUV is designed to tackle mud, sand, rocks, snow, and steep slopes with ease. Advanced off-road driving modes help drivers adjust the vehicle settings for different terrains, making off-roading easier even for beginners. Despite being a hardcore off-road machine, the G-Class performs very well on paved roads. Steering response has been improved, and body control feels more stable than older models. Mercedes has worked hard to balance comfort and performance, making the 2026 G-Class suitable for both daily driving and extreme adventures. Safety is another strong point of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. It comes equipped with a wide range of advanced safety and driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and parking assist with 360-degree camera views. The improved camera system makes parking this large SUV much easier in tight spaces. Fuel efficiency has also been improved slightly thanks to engine refinements and mild hybrid technology in some versions. While the G-Class is not designed to be a fuel saver, Mercedes has taken steps to make it more efficient without sacrificing performance. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is not just a vehicle, it is a symbol of status, power, and timeless design. It appeals to buyers who want luxury, off-road capability, and a strong personality all in one package. Whether you are driving through city streets or exploring rough landscapes, the G-Class delivers confidence and presence like no other SUV. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz G-Class continues to set the standard in the luxury off-road SUV segment. With its iconic design, advanced technology, powerful engines, and unmatched durability, it remains a dream vehicle for many enthusiasts around the world. Mercedes-Benz has successfully preserved the soul of the G-Class while enhancing it with modern features and improved comfort. Thanks for watching XLP Auto. Stay tuned for more latest car reviews, upcoming models, and detailed automotive content.